The tool itself drives the nails perfect.
To have to go back and reset nails that you already went through, like it's a time saver to get it right the first time, and I know that with the Milwaukee nailer, it is nailing flush every time. No compressor, no hose. It's fantastic to just grab your nailer and go to work.
Using this finish nailer compared to the other pneumatics has been spectacular. The tool is very accommodating as far as the size.
Shooting in like base molding in the corner or a piece of casing that's tight to the wall. No problems with this gun whatsoever getting it in where you need to get it in. I have not found a situation where the gun won't keep up. As fast as you want to shoot, this gun will shoot.
Fast, speed. Speed is important, so without having any additional ramp up time, you can again just one nail right after the next.
As far as just a gun that I can count on, that I know is going to shoot every single time with no flaws and flush nails, like I just know I can count on this tool.
Hands down better. Milwaukee.